In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Stripe payment. First, sign into your Stripe dashboard using your usual account credentials. Make sure you're using an account with the appropriate permissions, since only users with payment management access can cancel transactions. Once you're logged in, take a moment to confirm you're in the right account and workspace so you don't accidentally modify a different business or environment. Next, navigate to the Payments page. You'll find this in the main menu of the dashboard. The Payments view lists all recent charges and payment attempts. If you have a lot of entries, use the search field or filters to narrow the list by customer name, amount, date, or status. This helps you locate the exact payment you intend to cancel without scrolling through unrelated entries. When you spot the specific payment you want to cancel, move your cursor to the right side of that payment's row. There, you'll see a compact menu icon represented by 3 dots. The Overflow menu. Click that 3-dot menu to reveal additional actions related to that transaction. From the menu that appears, choose Cancel Payment. This option is typically shown alongside other transaction actions, and selecting it initiates the cancellation workflow. At this point, Stripe will prompt you to confirm the cancellation and collect a reason. Take a moment to choose the reason that best matches your situation. This helps with internal tracking and can be useful for reporting later. After selecting the reason, confirm the cancellation by clicking Yes. The dashboard will process the request and update the payment status. You should see the payment marked as canceled in the payments list, and any related details will reflect that change. Depending on the payment method and timing, canceling may prevent the charge from being completed or may stop a pending authorization from converting into a final capture. It is not the same as issuing a refund for an already captured charge, so verify the payment status before assuming funds will be returned automatically. Finally, consider a few quick follow-up tips. Document why the cancellation was made within your records, and inform the customer if appropriate so they aren't surprised. If a refund is needed instead of a cancellation, handle that through Stripe's refund flow. If anything looks unexpected after cancellation, refresh the dashboard or check your account's activity log for details. That covers the process for canceling a payment in Stripe. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be able to manage payments with confidence.